Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in BookMyForex account. So if you also want to log in BookMyForex account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar, type in bookmyforex.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of BookMyForex. From this website you'll be able to exchange the currency, transfer money abroad. Also you'll be able to reload or unload Forex card. Also you'll be able to access your international SIM card, corporate solutions and travel insurance. Also you'll be able to find several services over here. So if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. But if you do not have an account, you can also register for the account. All you have to do is click on the register option that you can see right over here. But if you want to log into existing account, simply click on the login option. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to enter the credentials. First of all, enter your email. Click on this box, enter your email. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. After you've entered the correct email and password, all you have to do is click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Or you can also continue with Facebook or continue with Google. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in BookMyForex account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.